Impendulo yami ithi fanele ngenze i-research
awazini wena awusakazi wemhluwa kwaba ingane before afika kamseleni awukwazi manje wena lo awusakwazi lo
angisho ukuthi angikwazi
manje kanti why ungibuzelani kanti nawe yakho nosenzani-ke manje idini
angiphiki ukuthi kwaba nengane angiphiki lokho yabona
alright
okay
ngaphambi uMakhumalo ayofika kamseleni
yeah
wayengenayo yini ingane yakhe nomuntu wakhe
uyazi wena ufuna ngifakaze into
na awazi yini ususwe nawe uyayiqala leyo nto awuyazi nhlobo it's okay
angiqali leyo nto
thank you soqedeni
cele uthi mina wangikhombisa uMakhumalo ekhulelwe that I don't remember at all uMakhumalo futhi angimazanga mina enengane number 2 uthi uMacele ngamtshela mina ukuthi umuntu onengane ngeke ngimthathe kodwa ngamthatha uMakhumalo ebenengane bengingazi ngalesa sikhathi ngimthatha ukuthi unengane noma kanayo ingane ngaze later lelo daba and akulona udaba engifuna ukulikhuluma ngoba alingithinti at all ngilizwe sengilizwa ngabantu futhi okungeyena kuphela uMacele okwabantu abahlukene nasemndenini wami wakamseleni
Hayi cha shem, yabona into engifundile kule season le umusa Mseleku guys unamanga akalikhuluma iqiniso eliphelele. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe. So siya find out lana kuThando Nesithembu namhlanje ebusuku ukuthi uMakhumalo bekanayo ingane. Nakhona it's not their place to tell us ukuthi uMakhumalo bekanengane noma bekangalayo ingane. uMakhumalo bekazozisitshelela yena ukuthi ngikhe ngaba nengane before ngishada noMseleku. But the way uMseleku ekhuluma izinto ngakhona it's like unamanga phakathi nendawo. Because uMacele uyambuza ukuthi did you not know ukuthi uMakhumalo had ingane? Uthi I knew. And then he comes back with diary session yakhe I1 ukuthi yena he didn't know ukuthi uMakhumalo had umntwana. Uzwe ngabantu bethi unomntwana okungasi owakhe. She was once pregnant ngomntwana ongasi wakamseleku. Uzwe ngabantu ezona ngoMacele, uzwe ngabantu yena. So sho ukuthi guys it's true ukuthi uMakhumalo once had umntwana okungasi. Nakhona why bokumele kahle kahle bayekele uMakhumalo ezikhulumele yena or uMacele ambuze ku retreat ukuthi hawu wena ngoba ukhe waba nengane kazi bani kuphi then ukuthi ezazotshela thina umhlaba instead of etshela uMakhumalo. But in everything I understand frustration kaMacele. I-frustration yaMacele ukuthi umusa uthi abanye abantu bangafuni ukuthi athathe abanye bafazi and I think beka refer kuMakhumalo noMayeni and also uMangwabi but uMacele wasifaka phakathi nendawo. I don't think bebakhuluma naye but yena uyasho ukuthi ayi uMakhumalo azange ngithi mina ungamshada but I asked you ukuthi did you know ukuthi loyo muntu loyo unomntwana ukhulelwe. That's what I asked you. And umbuze lokho because umusa uthe yena angeke ashade umuntu onengane. So we understand the frustration kaMacele. Umusa should just be honest nabafazi bakhe and everything will work well. Guys, what are your thoughts on this?